Hi guys! So today I want to show you how to record the sound of a wristwatch using a contact microphone. And this particular wristwatch is really quiet. It really just makes the faintest sound that I can hear when I hold it up to my ear. And so for that reason, I'm also going to show you how to remove background noise when you record really quiet things like this. And so the microphone that I'm going to be using is this Metal Marshmallow, which I sell on my website. I manufacture these. And then I'm using the black heat shrink high gain version. Although I also tested this with the other versions and it works just fine. But yeah, this black one is good for these really quiet kind of high sensitivity things. And so I'm going to use this white sticky tack to connect the wristwatch to the microphone. Yeah, so I have the microphone running into this audio device here, and then the audio device connected to my computer. And then on my computer, I'm using Reaper here. And so I'll just record maybe 10 seconds of this. Okay, so this is the recording, and I'm just going to normalize this, and then I'll play it back here so you can hear what it sounds like. And so as I alluded to at the beginning of the video, you can hear that there's quite a bit of noise in this recording. But that's fine since the noise is constant. It's actually quite easy to filter it out. And to do that, I'm going to use an audio effect. And in Reaper, the audio effect that I'm looking for is called FIR, which is some sort of spectral processing thing. And what this is going to allow me to do is that if I can figure out what the spectrum of the noise is, then I can subtract that spectrum out of the kind of spectrum of the rest of the audio that I want to preserve. Okay, and so I'll start by putting this in subtract mode. And I'm going to ask it to automatically build a noise profile. Okay, and then I'm going to select a little bit of audio that I know just contains noise. So this is kind of in between the sounds of the watch that I'm interested in. Yeah, and I'll kind of loop this. And so what I'm going to do is just play this, press play and let it run for just a very brief amount of time and then stop it. Okay. Okay. And so you can see now this red line here kind of represents the spectrum of the noise that's present in my audio. And now if I unselect this automatically build noise profile box, then I should be able to play this back and it should be noise free. And so this is what that sounds like. So maybe I should also mention that I have this drain pipe in my lab, and since it's raining outside, there's water flowing through this pipe, and it's relatively loud. In fact, it's loud enough that the sound, I think, is traveling through the concrete floor over into my recording setup. And so you can also hear that in the recording of the wristwatch. And that type of sound can't be filtered out because it's kind of continually changing, or at least it can't be filtered out so easily. And so if you listen closely, you can still hear a little bit of that in the background. But overall, you can hear that the noise level is much, much lower. And maybe I should also note that that noise has been removed through the whole recording. It's not just being removed between the spikes, it's actually also being removed from the spikes. So that constant noise is totally gone. But yeah, some of the rain water sound remains. Yeah, so that's it. I think that's all I have to say about that for now. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Oh, bye!